thanks for stopping by the Quadcopter review. Today what we're doing is giving away this Makerfire Armor 65 Lite. It's taken me a little longer than I wanted to, but with the new baby it has been tough getting on to do this. So let's just get straight to it. If you haven't seen this before, all we do is copy the URL from the video and we're going to go in here and paste it into the random YouTube picker. We're going to filter out duplicates and see how many comments we get for this. We got 67 it says, so not very many participants in this one, but that makes it better for those who did participate to get a chance to win. So all we do now is smash the start button. Round and round she goes. Let's see who's gonna win this little guy. And it is Shitster FPV has won. So Shitster has won this little guy to fly around the house is what he's looking for. Let's real quick make sure he's a subscriber, because that's important to the channel here, is to see what channels he is subscribed to, and being here we are. So Shitster FPV is the winner of the little Makerfire. So Shitster, please email me at pepepraWns@thequadcopterreview.com. That's pepeprons@thequadcopterreview.com, so we can get this mailed out to you. And as always, guys, don't forget, lots of giveaways always going on here on the channel. If you didn't win this one, you're gonna have a chance to win any other of the giveaways going on, as long as you make a comment on the video when I tell you to. So congratulations to Shitster FPV and happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.